Unsurprisingly, South Africa started a bit like Namibia ended. As soon as you're away from the Orange River, it's bone dry. There's nothing here apart from rocks and a bit of shrubbery. This is going to be an operation at the open eye.
We're on the main road N7 headed south towards Cape Town. Beautiful hard shoulder. Not too much traffic, but the big difference is the lorry drivers blow their horns to encourage you as opposed to warn you to get off the road. It's refreshing.
Why you say you have a year time?
Well, I'm retired and she has a sabbatical.
Okay.
That's the year.
So money is not a problem?
No,
Not
get
yet.
rid of it quick enough.
Yeah. That's easy.
We did get up an hour earlier this morning because by now we figured out that the afternoon headwind is something traditional. So an extra hour to cycle before we have to fight it does wonders. I lost the camera.
You're an awful man. But I was thinking, well, don't just sit there, do something about it. You guys are the best.
Remember, do not kiss the speed cops, okay?
Don't kiss the speed cops.
Don't kiss the speed. They get
Never.
bent out of shape every time I do that.
I'll remember that. Courtney,
Remember
thank
it.
you so much.
Okay, to play.
I better tell Kurt as well.
Safe eraf.
You too, huh?
Yeah.
She's going to pop out like a bar of soap. Just like this, look.
Mary, oh my God.
Ciao, you guys.
Okay.
Love you. I'll be praying for you.
Bye bye. Woohoo! What a place. John and Courtney in Bitterfontein guest house. Wow. Treated like royalty. It's hard to leave. Well, we're in the Western Cape here, southbound. It's a desolate 80-kilometre stretch with no shops. And let's say we started off fabulously with a mega breakfast from John and Courtney. We had toasted sandwiches, Frankfurter scrambled eggs, 5-star pancakes, and pancakes to go. Headed out on the road. First car stops, gave us water, offered us anything we wanted in the line of food. Second car stops, tops up our water bottles with ice, fills us with fruit. And here we are. South African hospitality is amazing. And in such a desolate stretch, I have to say, is very welcome. No Coca-Cola stops out here. Well, it's hard to believe. Yesterday was 37 degrees. The day before I struggled to cycle in the heat. And today we have fog. Look at this. There are trees. And it's green.
This is Clan William on a sunny morning. Somehow it reminds me of these small towns in outback Australia. It's the far end of Clan William. Look, difference in style. Oh, yes, some climb getting out on this road. Now you can see the mountains ahead. That's where we're going to. Lovely at the end of a long hard day on the bicycle. A pool like that. Say hello. We have a day off the bike. Time to go hiking.
Give the bums a rest.
Yeah. There should be a waterfall. Almost there. It's almost like an Irish family. Steps and stairs. You know, it reminds me somehow of Namibia. Just the plains and then the mountains sticking out of it like sore thumbs. Except that
we got a road.
We got a road and we got like grain and, well, reasons for a road, you know, things to produce and transport. This is a nice intersection where everyone has to stop until the others are gone. Just had 2 wonderful days in this Riebeck Castle. Quaint little place. It's really full of wineries and wineries that win international prizes, like top-notch place. Then it has art galleries. There's plenty of artists living here. Plenty of retirees too. They can afford art. Restaurants, as many as you want. So this is going to be the last big obstacle before Cape Town. Actually, yesterday we had lunch in the restaurant up there. Gorgeous view.
How cool is this? Morning. It's going to bring us all the way into Cape Town. were cycling through the Woodstock area of the official cycle lane into Cape Town, we were approached by the police, who insisted on giving us a police escort into the centre of town. Now, at the time, we didn't think it was necessary, but since then, 2 of our cycling friends have actually been attacked at knife point and relieved of their valuables exactly in that area. The police are even considering closing the bike lane because of the many muggings reported there. So probably the best option for cyclists would be to stay on the main road or to take an Uber in or out of town.
Since riding out through Woodstock wasn't really an option now, we were looking for alternatives, and Komoot came up with something really interesting. Oh, that wasn't Komoot's finest hour to get us up here, but at least here we can ride again. It was a very steep riverbed for about 2-3 k's. We do have the view and we're out of traffic, but we definitely did work up a sweat. Here she comes with the beautiful backdrop of the central business district, the stadium, Robben Island, a couple of beaches, a harbour, and probably the hardest exit route that we could find. How's it going?
Headwind now.
Oh, it'll kill you. I'm sure there is an easier way than the road down here. I think that's a shortcut. But let me check. There is something funny ahead. Actually, it is the ramp, Dorina. Well, one way of getting down. Oh, Jesus, that wasn't the plan, was it? Oh! I tried to improve Komoot's route instead of having another downhill section that wasn't even wide enough for a mountain bike. We're now on some tractor path parallel the hill, and hope we'll find an easier way to get down. Oops, another bit of mountain bike route. Now this is a jump that I wouldn't need with a loaded bike. So we're out on the ride with Andrew and Pete. Andrew is one of our rescuers from the bicycle troop in Namibia, and he is a great host. He was. The baboon sign, Dorina, have you had?
I have to take a picture of the baboons.
Yeah, I mean, for a coastal road, you won't find much better than that. Beautiful ride. So to the Cape. And we really have to work for it.
Explore the meeting of the Indian and the Atlantic Oceans. Here we are at Cape Point, south of Cape Town. So let's have a look if you can decide for yourselves.
Yeah, you see that line there? Neither
The
do we.
non-existing line.
Hello. Coming back from the Cape now, it's lovely to have tailwind. Time on this trip.
Yeah, true. 10 days to Cape Town, huh?
Yeah. Well, it wasn't a waste of time.
You have a way with words, my hun.
I heard that before. I think it was Starina that mentioned that.
Apart from the security issues in Cape Town, our cycle from the Namibian border to the Cape was a pleasant surprise. We were absolutely blown away by the South Africans' friendliness and generosity, and the varying landscapes made our cycle down the west thoroughly enjoyable. What an introduction to South Africa.